全のため、シートベルト着用サインが消えるまで、シートベルトを締めて、おかけになったままでお待ちください。
Welcome to another vlog. We have been away for quite a while now, but quite frankly, we haven't forgotten you, our loyal viewers. I have done a quick snack at a popular Japanese supermarket named Megadon. And everything that you're seeing on the table comes to about 15 USD dollars. Please comment and let me know if this is value for money. As you can see, we have quite a few snacks set on the table, as well as, you know, half a bread. You know, they sell quarter bread, rather. They sell that in the supermarket. I bought a small bottle of laundry detergent for $1.50 United States dollars, or the equivalent, and some ramen noodles. Please comment and tell me if everything on the table worth 15 United States dollars or the equivalent. We're here in Asia, to be specific, Japan. As usual, please like, share and subscribe. We need to actually take our subscription to at least 1,000. Help us to get there. And as you can see, we have Dorito, we have Cheetos, we have potato chips, bottled water, 15 USD or the equivalent in Japanese dollars. Comment and tell me if it's worth it. Thanks for watching, and remember to go over our business page at jamcaribeltiglu.com and buy your natural skincare products. Have a wonderful morning, have a wonderful afternoon, have a wonderful evening, and have a good night anywhere you're at in the world. 12 years gone, we're back on track again. Bye bye.